Hello students, this is the practical bottle laser resonator. This is the experimental setup. We have to take this resonator, fill this resonator up to this point and remove the water. Completely empty this resonator and measure the volume of the water. That volume is considered as VF, volume fully filled, that is VF. Note down that reading, volume of water fully filled. Then again you place the water up to the neck, up to where the thread is joined, up to this point you can place the water, and again you can remove this water by opening the tap and measure the volume of this water from this neck point. So this complete fully filled is VF, this is VI. We have to measure this VI, that is volume of the water up to the neck, that is VI. Take the difference of VF and VI, you will get this V0. This is the volume called as V0. In this way we can measure the V0 value. Then for taking the tuning forks reading, you can put the water every time up to the neck. Fill the resonator up to the neck point. So I am filling this resonator up to the neck. Then no water in the beaker. The resonator is filled up to this neck. Now start the water flow. Start the water flow slowly, drop wise. Drop wise the water is coming out from this resonator. Adjust this drop and the water is collected in the beaker. Then you can take the tuning fork. This is the tuning fork of the known frequency, say 512. This is the frequency. You put this tuning fork, vibrate this tuning fork and put the tuning fork like this. The vibrations are going inside the resonator. Where you are getting the loud sound, there you can stop the water flow. The sound started. Where you get the loud sound, there you can stop the flow of water. The sound is increased. The resonating sound. Now the sound is loud. I can stop. So where we are getting the loud sound of the corresponding tuning fork, then you can measure this collected water. Whatever water is collected, you can measure this for the corresponding tuning fork. You can take 3 readings for this one tuning fork, it is 512. Similarly, you can repeat this experiment for remaining tuning forks. This is 480. Then you can repeat for this 4 to 6 frequency. You can repeat this for 384. This is 384. Then this is 341. And this last one is considered as an unknown. So this is unknown tuning fork, and you can determine the frequency unknown of this tuning fork. Actually it is written here you can verify from the experiment. So this tuning fork number 6 considered as a unknown tuning fork, and you can calculate the unknown frequency by the calculation. In this way, this experiment is completed. This experiment is named as bottle as a resonator.